61 and you are seeing how many roots are there, and this question can seem impossible to you for doing, but this is a very easy question. I would like to say, let us start this question. This is power. Just start from here. Here is x to the power 10 and here is power x. First of all, I want to tell you, let me tell you a concept that x, root x, what does it mean? X to the power 1 by 2, clear? Root and root x, this means x to the power 1 by 4, clear? Root x, if 3 power is there, the x to the power 1 by 3 into 1 by 3, that is x to the power 1 by 9, clear? Now you are having that kind of approach, that how we have to solve this question. Let us start. This is 9 x to the power 10. This is x to the power 4. Again this bracket is 4 and 3, 7, 7 and 2. Again this bracket is 4, 4, 3, 7, 7. This is cube root, na? 4, 3, 7, 7 again, 7, 2, 9 or 2, 1. This is right root over here. You can start from here. 2 to the power x, that is 1 upon x here. 3 to the power x cube, and this x square and this x to the power x square. 3 to the power 1 by 2 की whole power 1 by 2 की whole power 1, तो 3 की power 1 by 3, clear? X cube, sorry. Then 6 x की power 6. Here x3, x2 and x1, 1 upon x की power 6. Similarly here also 9 x की power 10 and this 4, 3, 7, 7, 2, 9 and 9 or 1, 10, x की power 1 upon x की power 10. Then this is cancelled out from this and this and this and this. What is the remaining? 2 into 3 into 6 into 9. What is that? 2 into 3, 6, 36 into 9. What is that? 3 to 4. The square root of 3 to 4 is 18. Therefore, our answer is 18. Clear? 62 question, very easy question. Here is 2 root 6 and here is minus 2 root 6. This is the square of something. What is it? Root 6 plus root 1 whole square. How I came to know? Because this is here written is 2 root 6. This is, you can calculate root 6 plus root 1 whole square. Clear? And this is root 6 minus root 1 whole square. Clear? Then root 6 1 plus 1 here from here and root 6 minus 1 from here. This is cancelled out and the answer is 2 root 6. 63 question, very easy question. 3 square is there and this is power 1 by 2. Root means 1 by 2. If 2 roots are there, then that means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 4. 81 की whole power 2. And how many roots are there? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8. Clear? Into 6 की whole power 16. And this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What does it mean? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 4 times 1 by 16. This is cancelled out and this is power 2. This is this and 16 is cancelled by this. So here 6 will be remaining. From here 81 की whole power 1 by 4 and from here 9 की whole power 1 by 2 and from here 3. 9 की whole power 1 by 2, 3 square into 1 by 2 and this is 3 power 4 into 1 by 4 into 6. 4 is cancelled and 2 is cancelled. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times and 6. The answer is 3 cube into 6 is the answer of this question 63. Clear? Question, if x equals to 7 minus 4 root 3 and we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 upon 7x. I have told you earlier, this is the short trick of this question. When you are seeing this, if the square difference is 1, then you can directly write 1 upon x. Here you make this square, 7 square is 49 and 4 root 3 square is 48, the difference is 1. You can directly write 1 upon x, 7 plus 4 root 3, clear? Just add this plus 1, x plus 1 upon x equals to 7 plus 7 equals to 14 and these are negative, so they are cancelled out, clear? What does it mean? X plus 1 upon x equals to 14. or you can say x square plus 1 upon x equals to 14. Clear? This you can write 1 upon into x square plus 1 upon x. Here you have find out this value. What is that? That is 14. The answer is 2. 14 divided by 7, the answer is 2. Clear? This is question number 53. If a power 1 upon a equals to b power 1 upon b and c power 1 upon c, these three powers are equal. Clear? Then we have to find out the value of an a की power bc plus b की power ac plus c की power ab equals to 729. Which of the following equals to a की power 1 upon a? I am not writing the option of it as I am solving it. A की power 1 upon a equals to b की power 1 upon b equals to c की power 1 upon c. After completing these videos, I will be when I will repeat this topic, I will try that I will not carry pen, and without carrying pen I would like to give the answers of each questions, and that will be a very important class. Let me start with solution of it. A equals to k की power 1 upon a, b equals to k की power 1 upon b and c equals to k की power 1 upon c. Clear? When you put the value of a is k की power a and bc is there. This is k की power abc. K की power a is automatically here, and k की power abc equals to k की power abc. Similar thing will be happen in this case also. Again b is k की power 1 upon b, k की power b and bac abc plus k की power abc. Similarly it will happen in c also. K की power c, k की पावर c की होल पावर, k की पावर c की होल पावर abc, k की पावर abc. This similar thing is happen in this case, and similar thing is happen in this case, and similar thing is happen in this case. A k की पावर a abc, b k की पावर b abc, c k की पावर a c abc. Here k की पावर abc, k की पावर abc, k की पावर abc. What does it mean? 3 k की पावर abc equals to 729. k की power abc equals to 243. Therefore k equals to 243 की whole, or I can say k equals to 243 की whole power 1 upon abc. Therefore k equals to abc root of 243. Clear?